People of the world, or Tab Nation as you will. I'm Tom, and today I'm going to be introducing a new playlist basically to my channel, and we'll see how it goes. If you guys like it, I get a lot of feedback, I'll continue it. Yeah, but right now it's going to be in its experimental phase, beta if you will, and it's going to be challenges. I was inspired really by the Advent calendar for Advent of Code, and I kind of wanted to do something fun with that, but with videos. So my idea here is I'll do a video explaining what the challenge is. Now, every channel or every challenge could be very different. I'm going to try to keep it at least, obviously with coding, specifically target towards automation, but I will be doing stuff. As example, this is the first challenge today. This one's going to have to do more with a math puzzle. And it's not technically, you're not learning coding, but math is very important, and it just sounded like a fun challenge. And so, yeah, if you guys come up with any challenge ideas, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm always going to be looking for ideas on different challenges I could do, and it can be, you know, a whole bunch of like variety of different challenges and just what's fun. And eventually, once I get a feel for it, what you guys like, don't like, if you're interested, I will come up with some type of format better and saying like, hey, I'll release one challenge, maybe every other week or something. I'll have a schedule for you all once I get a few out and get a feel better for what you guys are into. So today's challenge is a math puzzle, and I will admit, is a insanely hard one to figure out. So what I'm going to do is every day at a certain time, so I'll probably be releasing this video at like 2 o'clock today. So let's say at 2 o'clock every day until the puzzle is solved by at least one or two people, I will be given a clue out. So day one, no clue, but I will pin that day's clue in the comments below and keep replying to that one with the new clues until someone figures it out. So I'm curious to see how long it takes you guys to figure this one out, because even though you can see the code here, you can't find the answer in this because of how it works. So I'm not really going to talk about the code here. It's just doing a bunch of math problems and formulas and stuff, and then checking if you're right. It's also keeping track of how many restarts you do and how many moves it takes you to get it correct. So if you do end up getting it correct, post that information below on how many moves it took you to get and how many tries it took you, and then it also will give you a grade. And the lowest, it's kind of like golf. The closer you are to 0, that means the better your score is. So I want to see who can get the best score and just solve it in general. So shout out to anybody who actually gets it. So let's show you an example. So I'm going to launch the script. Obviously, the link will be in the description below. And I'm going to say the first 3 people who get the answer correct, I will put it in the description below as kind of a shout out to those 3 people. So if you want, you can email me the answer, which is in my About tab. That way, people can't cheat. It's really up to you. I don't really care. Go how you guys want. But yeah, so you get a GUI here, and the goal is to use only these 6 math things here. So you got like plus 29, so you're adding 29. Divide by 3, multiply by 4, minus 58, minus 12, add 92. And you got to use these combinations starting at 0, and you need to use these to get to match this number, 121,004, and you got to get to that. So just let me show you. So I'm going to say like plus 29, divide by 3. So I'm at 19 right now. And as you see, I've already done 3 moves. Well, let's say I think, oh, you know what? I definitely screwed up. Let me start over. You push reset. And now you're on your first, you just did 1 try. And you reset back at 0. And once again, it goes. Now, obviously, it's at 0. You can't multiply 0 by 4. So you'll get this little message box that says, do you know how math works? LOL. So just a little fun stuff there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in regards of, do you get the answer? Do you have any ideas on other challenges? Is this something you're even interested in? Just let me know your thoughts. This is the first video, and I plan to do a lot more, just because I had a lot of fun designing this and coming up with the idea. All right, if I get 50 likes, I will do another video and continue doing this. That shows me that you guys really like it. So if I get a combination of, let's say, 50 likes mixed in with comments, so if I get 25 comments, but then I also get 25 likes, I'll consider that the 50 mark, letting me know that you guys are interested and continue on. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Can't wait to see the answers. Once again, 2 o'clock every day from the time this video is released, I will give a single clue out, and I haven't really came out with too many of the clues, but I'll have something for you all. See you guys later.